Hello and welcome to Virtual Learning Network. This e-lecture is on Computer Basics and PC Software, Block 3, Unit 3, Introduction to Web Application 2nd. The topics we are going to cover are e-learning, electronic educational resources, collaborations, social networking, blog, summary. Let's start with introduction. In this unit, we learn about e-learning, social network blog, etc. E-learning is one of the most used terms on the internet that describes any form of learning that is facilitated academically by the electronic means. Such means may be in the form of multimedia rich contents, web-based lectures, and web-based tutorials or training programs. E-learning. E-learning is one of the most used term on the internet that describes any form of learning that is facilitated academically by the electronic means. Such means may be in the form of multimedia rich contents, web-based lectures and web-based tutorials or learning programs. In general, e-learning is strongly supported electronically by the administrative, academic, and assessment processes. Some of the major advantages of e-learning are it allows creation and fast update of online contents. You may use the contents at your own pace and convenience. E-learning provides a possibility of standardization of contents that can be changed much faster. It has the potential of providing new learning opportunities. It has the possibility of students' interaction. Flexibility of program or course management, such as students may choose courses of their choice. Allow creative development of new courses in specific areas. E-learning brings people together and allows sharing their experience. E-learning processes. Since any e-learning project checks your achievements against a learning outcomes. Therefore, it starts with identification and verification process. The common process used for this purpose is the use of username and password. Some of the activities that may be undertaken by a student in the e-commerce process: first, login; second, content access and assimilation; third, undertake formative assessment online, formative assessment using assignments and discussions, getting the feedback or formative assessment and working together achieving learning outcomes. Communication with the student through various means like email, chat, SMS and other means. Go through a summative assessment, measuring the effectiveness of e-learning and performance assessment, recording student achievements and certification. E-learning content development process. Developing e-learning contents is a specialized activity. The quality of e-learning relates to achievements of the objectives of the content by the learners. Better quality e-learning content can be created if you follow a proper process of e-content generation. A simple e-learning content process is given in this figure. In previous figure, there are many phases. First one is analysis phase. Analysis requires identifying the learning objective for the development of content for the target audience. This phase also lists the financial, technological, and time constraint for the e-learning project. It also enables identification of the gap between the expected knowledge of the target audience and what they should know after going through the source. This facilitates the design phase. Next one is design phase. In most organizations, the design phase involves development of a storyboard that may include a concept flow, text, graphics, video, audio, animation if needed. In this phase, you may also design the basic question that must be answered by the learner after going through the learning content. You may also design the interface and interactivity during this step. Next phase is implementation phase. Implementation phase. Implementation phase brings the design to live course material. You may take the help of various experts for this phase, including content expert, graphic expert, interaction designer, web designer, etc. Next one is verification phase. During the verification phase, the content so produced can be tested to determine if it is conveying what it is expected to convey. It may also be used to check the usability features of the product. You may perform verifications by e-learning experts or sample of target audience. IGNOU uses two different e-platforms providing learning and support. The first platform provides several programs from the website www.ignouonline.ac.in. This website supports many features starting from online admission to delivery of contents and online discussion sessions. The screen demonstrating these activities are shown in this picture. Modular Object-Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. Modular Object-Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment is a free and open source e-learning software platform. It provides features for learners and content management. In the past decade, it has become very popular for the delivery of e-learning content and student management. You can get access to information related to Moodle for the website. Electronic educational resources. First one is Wiki. Wiki stands for What I Know Is. Wikis are a powerful tool for creating collaborative knowledge resources created by the community. A wiki is a page or collection creation of web pages designed to create and edit contents. Wiki supports hyperlinks and has simple text syntax for creating new pages. Wikis are also used to create websites to enhance the features of community websites and for knowledge management. Some characteristics of Wiki. A wiki invites all registered users to edit any page or to create new pages within the wiki website. Wiki promotes meaningful topic associations between different pages by making page link creation very easy. Wiki promotes discussion and also keeps the history of changes of a document. Now, collaborations. Collaboration is defined as an act or process of working together on a project or some intellectual activity. Collaboration involves both communication and sharing of ideas. Collaboration has been found to be successful in the area of physical science that requires huge investment in expensive devices. There are plenty of other web-based collaboration tools. Here are a few of them. MediaWiki. It is a very simple tool that allows multiple people to make and commit changes in a document. It keeps a version of each change. Many universities have used this software to develop a collaboration space. Time can be potentially unsafe. You are advised not to put any confidential information about you on search sites. You must use search services for good reasons and not misuse them. Some basic security policies for search sites are: please do not share your account related information such as username and password. Allow scan your computer for viruses and spyware. Do not add strangers as your friends about whom you are not sure about his or her identity. Allows make sure to sign out once you have done your intended activities. This is one social network, Facebook. Blog. Blogging is emerging, has wonderful way to share and publish your views. Most famous person these days have their own blog. Blog is a website where entries are written as information or news on a particular subject. A blog may combine text, images, or other media components. However, most blogs are textual. They may also provide links to other web pages or blogs. An example of blog? Now, summary. The unit also provides information on educational resources that can be found on the internet. In addition, it provides information about the usage of wiki. A wiki is a collaborative community website where you can compile and publish the information posted by different registered users. Collaboration allows us to participate in different projects from our own places. Social networking allows us to share information with friends, and blogging allows us to publish information online. Thank you for this session.